Bonjour, bonjour à tout le monde, comment ça va? Jokes apart, welcome to the channel of the Italian guy. If you're new, if this is the first time you stumble here, my name is Giuseppe, I'm 47 years old, and in this channel you can find recipes, keto recipes, you can find traditional recipes converted into keto ones whenever it is possible. So this is the third recipe of the poll I posted a few weeks ago. So the keto mousse, and very easy peasy recipe, just a few ingredients, and is already keto. No, it's not keto, but we can turn it into keto in a very easy way. Anyway, this can be used as a breakfast, because most of you tell me that they don't want to eat eggs in the morning, fried eggs, boiled eggs. So okay, this really spoon dessert can be used as a sweet breakfast, so to say. So let's go straight into the recipe. So let's begin our keto preparation with 150 grams of dark chocolate. The one I used here is 95%. So feel free to use 100 or 85, but not under 85 because it's not keto. Too many carbs. 25 grams of butter, softened butter. It's better if you melt it in the microwave. 50 grams of erythritol and 4 eggs. We will start by adding the first egg, then we'll whisk the whole dough, and then when the eggs are absorbed, you can put the other ones until the end. And you can see that the butter will change the color, and keep whisking so that the mousse will be softly and with bubbles, soft and with bubbles. Okay, transfer it in another plate, and you can keep it in the fridge, cover it with cling film for 4 days. And believe me, it's so delicious! Enjoy! Delicious, sublime, scrumptious, delectable indeed. It's very thick, this mousse, and it's really, really nice to the palate. I put in the recipe 50 grams of erythritol, but since we use the 95% dark chocolate, you can still taste the bitterness of the chocolate. So if you like the mousse sweeter, you definitely have to increase the amount of erythritol to at least 100. I don't like when it's too sweet, so I prefer to remain low. 50 grams for me are enough, but for you, if you like, as I said, sweeter than mine, feel free to increase to 100 grams. You can put as much as erythritol you want. Okay, so next week, the last recipe of the poll, the keto tiramisu strawberry based, is a really nice dessert as well, and is keto, of course. So if you like the video, please subscribe and follow me also on Instagram. I have some, I will put the links underneath below the description. Share the video with your friends, help me to grow more followers in the English field. And that's it. Thanks for following me. See you.